If your vacuum cleaner has no suction, here are the 5 most probable causes. 1 or more air filters will trap dirt and dust particles as the air travels through the vacuum cleaner. The filters can become clogged over weeks of use, reducing the vacuum's suction. You should clean the filters periodically following manufacturer's instructions, but a significantly soiled filter should be replaced with a new one for optimal operation. If not emptied after each use, the vacuum cleaner's bag or canister can become overfilled and impede the product's ability to pick up new debris. Emptying the bag or canister after each use is recommended, as is periodic cleaning, but bags should be replaced regularly, according to manufacturer's guidelines. An obstructed vacuum hose will also reduce or prevent suction. Detach the hose and inspect it for any obstruction. You can use a thin brush or compressed air to help dislodge the obstruction. The vacuum cleaner's blower wheel could be obstructed as well. If you don't see any obstruction, try turning the blower wheel by hand. If the blower wheel does not turn freely, it's likely the bearings in the blower motor have seized. You can replace the old motor with a new one to solve the problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your vacuum cleaner.